Let's get extreme orbital buffer!
Oh, hi, Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you a simple hack to clean all of your polishing pads, your buffing pads, whether they are wool like this one, or maybe you have foam pads that you like to use. They come in black and red and green and blue. You just take a stiff nylon brush, turn your polisher on with the pad in place, and then you're just going to push these bristles up against the pad, and it's going to knock loose all that dried on wax and compound. It's super great.
Duper.
Here you can see that we're using it on a foam pad. Careful with the foam pad. You don't want to be too aggressive and have bits of foam break off of there. That's no good. And this could work with basically any type of pad on an orbital buffer. It will work super great. It'll be really great for you.
Great.
And this is how I get them clean and move them on. I can move on to the next job after I get them clean. It's so easy and it's so great. Super great.